What's going on, YouTube? This is another banger, another video, another quick video about the Fire Stick. Thank you for tuning in. Life with SJW. It's gonna be a quick video. Lost my connections on my Fire Stick. It's in the back right now. I just got the remote control of the TV. See, it's went off because I was trying. See, it's not moving. Nothing move on my Fire Stick. So easy way how to fix it, you go to menu. You see it says set up. Go to set up. Click that to go all the way to HDMI CEC. You mask that. You see it says CEC controls. You turn that on. You turn the device. You really turn everything on. You can turn it on or exit. See, still not moving, nothing moving. So you go back in. Go back in the menu. You go to setup, mass enter. You go back to HDMI CEC. You click on it, you turn everything on. See, everything was off. Device power on, TV power on, ARC on. You exit out. You mash OK. There you go. I was about to say it didn't work, but be mad, but go to my connections and there you go. Like, subscribe to my channel. Please have a blessed and safe day. Thank you for tuning in my video. Peace.